It is 8th of April today. These are the apples which I have taken off from my different apple trees, and I have labeled them, and they were left in the garage without any special cooling facilities or any special storage facilities. They were left at the normal temperature. Now today I have requested my nice neighbors. She's Gill, and she is in her own garden. Because of the coronavirus, we have to respect and obey the rules. I am in my garden, and the table and all the apples, they are in her garden, and I have requested her to cut them one by one, all those varieties, so that we can see how they taste, how they look. First of all, how are they looking like? One by one, if you could explain it to me, different varieties.
So we start with Sturma Pippin, that's there.
Yeah,
And then next we have Granny Smith.
yeah. They are looking really good.
There, oh yeah. And then Brayburn.
Braeburn, oh, they look the best. They look like they have just come off the shelf.
Yeah. Off the tree even. And then we've got Red
Yeah,
Stripe,
red stripe.
which are also looking very good.
Yeah, they are my favorites.
And then we've got Winter King.
Yeah,
We've got Jonah Gold.
doesn't look very good.
No, it looks a bit sad.
Yeah.
And then we've got, well, we don't know what these are, do we? We've lost
No, we lost the label, but we will be able to find out the variety.
Yeah.
I know where it is on my apple tree, where that is.
Yeah. Would you like me to?
Yes, please.
Right, okay, so I'll cut into Sturma Pippin
Yeah.
and we'll see. I'll just cut a slice off it and we will see what it tastes like. There's the,
Is it looking good from inside? Oh, it looks nice.
yeah, looks
Yeah.
very good. And I'll taste it. It felt crisp when I cut into it. So let's taste it now. A very nice crisp apple. Lovely and sweet. The skin is slightly tough. I think it would be better peeled. But Sturma Pippin is a winner, I think.
Okay. You never know what about the others.
Let's try Granny Smith. So I'll cut into this one.
They are still looking so fresh.
I know, looking really
I mean,
really
the
good.
outside skin is very, very beautiful.
Yeah,
No wrinkles.
no wrinkles, no, you're right. We'll cut a slice off Granny Smith. There's the inside, looking really good.
Yeah.
Now this one, it's naturally a bit more sour, so let's see.
You will have to face if it is sour.
It's fine.
I think because they have been stored for a long time.
Yeah,
So it's,
the sweetness has come out at
Yeah,
the time, yeah.
yeah.
Tastes good. Nice crisp apple to bite into. Good. And then, I don't really want to cut into these Brayburns because
Oh, they are looking so nice and fresh.
Yeah. So there's the Brayburn, and I'll cut some of that. Nice skin, lovely and shiny. The skin. That doesn't feel as crisp. It's a different texture. This one. Look how beautiful it is
Oh,
inside.
they are. Well, there's one thing, especially these 4 apples.
Yeah.
They were hanging from one of the branches from apple number 3.
Right.
Very close to the ground.
Yeah.
And those apples, they had, whenever the sun came out, they were enjoying the best.
Well, you
So
can
the,
tell.
the light of the sun has its effects on color
Yeah.
and on the taste as well.
Yeah.
I think that is one of the factors. If you look at them, they look so fresh.
They do.
Looks like they have just come off the apple tree.
Yeah, they do. Right, I'll taste Brayburn. That's a different taste altogether. Not as crisp as the others, but a lovely taste. Very nice. Amazing. Shall
Which
we
is
go on to
which
the
is
next
which is the next one?
The next one is Red Stripe.
Okay.
So look,
Oh, they are still looking far better.
they are.
I mean, the look wise,
Yeah.
there are not many wrinkles.
No.
I mean, the outside skin looks still beautiful.
Yeah.
Although we are in April, almost, well, it is 8th of April. Up to that long, you can't imagine without any special storage
I
facilities.
mean, it's got a few spots on it, but when you
That is only, I think,
on
outside
the
skin. Yeah.
outside, yeah. So if you peel that off, I'll put a slice from Red Stripe. There we are. Look at the nice colour inside.
Oh, well.
Nice golden colour. Lots of taste in that one, yeah. Very nice. A sort of perfumed taste, this one.
They are my favorite apples.
Right.
Their size is extraordinary. They are
is,
much
yeah.
bigger than the normal apples. What else we have?
Well, these are the ones that
Right, unknown variety at the minute. I'm not sure, so I won't.
we've got two of them.
Yeah,
A bit wrinkly, but
but the look is nice.
it looks nice.
Yeah.
Nice colour. It's got a red blush on it. Well, it's a bit tough, that one, to get your knife into. But on the inside, it looks very
Yeah,
nice.
it is nice. Not nothing wrong with it.
No. Ooh, that's a lovely taste. A bit sharper, the taste, but really nice, that.
Amazing.
Yeah. Next one, I don't think I want to take.
No, I won't because it is one side has gone completely off. So
Joan ago didn't make it.
no, didn't make it.
But, I mean, it lasted a long time.
Yeah, it has lasted long time. I mean, if we had done it the tasting a month before this
Yeah.
date,
Yeah,
it might
would
have been still
fine
okay.
Then, yeah.
And now is I
Now
think
the
one
last
variety
one.
left. That is Winter King.
Winter King, which is a bit wrinkly. But it looks nice red
Yeah.
colour with a bit
Oh,
of
the other one is completely even darker than that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
and it has a little splodge of
yeah,
green
yeah.
and yellow, which is nice.
It has a different colors.
Yeah. So we'll cut a bit of that. Winter King.
Yeah. It also has the name Winston.
Oh, is that all right? I didn't
Yeah.
realise that was the same
Yeah,
variety.
yeah. It is the same.
Very nice inside.
Oh,
All
yeah.
of them are really nice inside, aren't they? We'll taste that.
So you can't imagine. We have. I mean, the first variety comes off around end of July, beginning of August,
Yes,
and starting from that time,
yes.
I mean, they have come up to
All up to
8th
now.
of
Yeah.
8th of April.
And now this one, Winter King, it doesn't have as much taste as the others. It's a bit tasteless, not quite as tasty. But okay,
Oh, that's very very good. That is.
that is.
I was not expecting, to be honest, that they will all these apples they will last up to first week of and well it is 8th. It is starting of the second week of April.
Yeah, it is.
So that's very very good.
It is.
Thank you very much. Now you can eat all those in your own time.
I won't eat all that.
Thank you very much for your help.
Not at all.
Thank you. If you like my work, share it with your friends and relatives. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of the universe. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that, you can subscribe to my channel and have easy access to me. Thank you.